So while I'm eating my lunch here, I have some food for thought for you. Now, I just want to give some helpful information for people who have been asking. So I had weight loss surgery almost 14 months ago. I've lost over 200 pounds, and I get asked frequently, how did you make it through the beginning stages after weight loss surgery? And those were hard stages. I know how hard it was to eat. Sometimes I couldn't even eat. I had to do liquids for 2 weeks. But to get like fluid and protein in, it seemed like a chore. So I'm going to tell you some of the things I did that were helpful. And also, if you have other ideas, please leave them in the comments for people, because I know people are going to want to go check those out. Okay, so let's help each other. Now, first things first, you can do a protein shake a day. 30 grams of protein, the Premier protein shakes have. But in the beginning, I couldn't even think about something thick and sweet. No, that was off-putting to me. So I drank 24 ounces of Carb Master milk a day. You can find that at Kroger. It's non-fat, low calorie, low carb, 11 grams of protein per 8 fluid ounces. Great option. Okay, and then I'm going to tell you some things that you can find on Amazon, and these are linked, okay? So if you go to my profile, there's a link there, and then when you click on it, it'll have an Amazon button, hit that, and then it will be in like my protein tab, okay? Protein Gatorade. Life Changer and Saver, 0 sugar, okay? You can find those there, helpful. Protein 2.0, I think it's what it is, helpful. Premier Protein has it's like a water or juice or something like that as well. I'll link that. That was helpful as well. So you're getting your fluids, you get your protein at the same time, and it's not thick and milky, you know what I'm saying? Helpful. Berry Wise makes these protein soups, so you can check those out there. And you can mix unflavored protein powder in soups. You can mix it in Jello, so that's helpful. And then I've done unflavored protein powder in broth, chicken broth, beef broth, bone broth is higher in protein. And then let me tell you, Unjury protein powder chicken noodle flavor. Game changer. I love that stuff. But I liked mine mixed with like a bone broth. I didn't like it with water, but really helpful. You can find that on their website. But a lot of the other things are linked to my Amazon. You can go find those there. But yes, please leave ideas for people. If you had other things that helped you get through, let's help some people out.